Well, wouldn't you know, I lost the video clip that showed the engine surging like crazy. At first the engine wasn't working at all, so I cleaned the carburetor and then it was just surging still. So there was one little piece left that needed to be cleaned, and this is what I'm going to show you. Okay, that's the part I want you to see. The top one that has a little D looking thing on it. I'm going to unscrew that, and then what it's sitting on top of has to pop out. You take a pliers and pop that out, and then clean the hole in the center of that. Okay, let me see if you can see where the pliers are. Taking that piece off like so. I'm going to clean that out and put it right back. One more thing, couldn't find at Lowe's another gasket, so I'm using this gasket maker and hope it works. Oh. Not recommended for use on head gaskets or parts in contact with gasoline. There is contact with gasoline, but I'm gonna use it, so I painted that right there. I'll put it together. There's a liquid gasket. This is how it dries. Literally like rubber. Well, it's silicone. There you go. Let's see if the surge is fixed. Got it on full choke, full throttle, prime it. The key is in, and we will start it. Proof positive.